I'm Sheri McDonald, and I'm the Assistant Superintendent for the Lowell Joint School District.
And I'm Holly Brander, and I'm a teacher on special assignment.
We had a couple of preschools in the area that had closed, and so we really started taking a look at what we could do to support school readiness and really giving kids those skills that they need to be successful in school, and that sort of started our journey around early learning. We were approached about administering the Early Developmental Index. We were one of the districts, the only district in Orange County that wasn't currently doing that, and that was in part because we are housed both in LA County and Orange County. And that really started a conversation with First Five about what did we need to do, given what we were looking at in the data, having some preschools that closed, how could we really provide an opportunity for students to get some of the skills that they needed to be successful as they started school.
When we looked at the EDI data, we noticed that around the 5 domains, there were 2 specific areas that we felt we could get some resources and some supports out there. And what we've been able to do is, since we've received the First Five grant, is we've opened up a learning link. And that learning link currently has put a spotlight on early childhood and has allowed us to talk about that more, whether we're having it at a PTA meeting or it's at our leadership meeting or with our teachers. There's lots of places now that we make sure that it's a talking point because we know it's going to serve our families really well.
It's hard to imagine where we would be without First Five, first and foremost, and that is what connected us to really EDI, and then taking that data and being able to build on that and say, what do we do both in instructional practice and even with our community relationships to support students in developing those skill sets that are going to help them, and whether that is, as Holly alluded to, somewhere in the academic space or even just in social emotional, in health, whatever that may be, really bringing all those partners together. And that is a direct result of the information that we get from the EDI.